going on, guys? So today we're going to be installing a carbon fiber spoiler on my friend's car, and then Shane and Scott are going to come back. And I think Scott's going to rotate his tires on his Mustang, and then Shane's going to do the oil change. So we'll get to it. It's warm already, dude. You're going to want to heat up the yeah, because it'll make it more sticky.
Yeah. After you take the 3M tape off?
Take it off and then heat the stickers up, and then it'll stick better. Yeah, this one's sick. I like how it just curves up a lot.
What?
I like how it curves up a lot.
You have high kick?
Yeah.
It's the one of M3. I get that.
Set up perfect, like you want it.
This 2-finger method works.
Yeah, that's good.
It like pops into place. You know what I mean?
Does it?
Yeah, it like snugs on there, so it has to be like perfect. Like it goes right to the back of that.
Oh, really? Okay,
right
that's
to the back.
Okay.
So it like, you know what I mean? I want to fuck us up.
Yeah, this thing looks super sick.
I didn't go straight on there, dude. Like straight. I'm gonna like spacing.
Like right here on camera, it looks fine. But
like right. How would you go for it, dude?
looks good.
Just said fuck it, dude.
Like look from the back. Yeah, it looks so much better. Now you just see the side skirts.
Oh, I know. Oh yeah, the back looks way better than soft. Now I actually like my fucking whatever you call it.
It's sick. I just like it how it looks black, like from far away, but up close it's carbon fiber. Crawlers. The crawlers are here. Crawlers are here for me.
The thing is this lip? Like right there.
Oh, why don't you just chuck it up from the sides?
Yeah, you got jacks.
No, I don't have jacks now.
I have one at home.
No, I can see if this. I can empty out this one. Oh, dude, I knew I had a fucking bucket. Oh. You think? Dude, this shit just has cat litter in it. Like sand. I'll just dump this out real quick.
Is it 3M tape on the bottom? Yes, you have to drill it.
Fuck, I should just use my tool set. I should get my tool set.
What do you need your tool set for?
You got the. Do you have a swivel or? Oh, you have a.
What do you need? A wrench?
What this thing is called? What is that wrench called? I don't know. Don't put that in there.
Why? What, extension?
No. Like the swivel wrench. That how it goes like that, and then it. There's like that's not like a normal crescent wrench.
I don't know.
No music, dog.
You can plug it in. I was just not, I can't fucking play music.
Why?
Because I'm filming. Oh, yeah. Turn it down too, because I think I fucking got copyrighted on my last video. Sucks. Just turn it like that, whatever.
I'm pretty sure they're pretty small. I'll put it over here in a minute. So. That's like straight up like an 8.
These ones, right?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, hold on, I got
No, that one's loose already. That could be.
Taking all the screws off the skid plate because 350Zs have these. fucking stupid skid plates that take forever to take off, but it's whatever. It's kind of dope. I wish I had one on my car.
Oh, you don't?
I don't know. It's like nice to have if you scrape a lot.
Yeah,
Saves like the undercarriage.
so if I took out this one and this one, this whole thing would pop out. Or I guess I would have to take off these clips too. I don't know, should I fuck with these clips or no?
I don't know. This should just come right out if you like rip it out.
Well, I don't want to rip it out.
Take off those screws and you should be chilling.
I might even not put back on, honestly. Fuck off. This one doesn't want to. This one doesn't want to thread. I'm just stripping the.
Here, I'll give you. Probably gonna shoot out super fast.
Oh, it's alright. It doesn't have that much oil in it. EQ35DE.
There you go.
You got a like a towel.
Yeah.
And you're going for the bolt.
Here. Just put it on the counter or something.
Put it right here.
Oh, fuck. I'll be right back. What kind of oil and filter are you using?
Can oil filter. And then purple royal 5W30.
Oh my god.
$45.
That's the best oil you can buy.
Yep.
It's race oil.
Yeah, I bet you everyone in your comments will agree.
I know. They're all gonna say the same exact thing.
Alright, comment down below, guys.
Now they're gonna say it's like the worst oil. You know, overpriced.
siding with you, Chris. We
Dude,
know nothing.
Nobody really comments on my videos that much, so it doesn't really matter.
Well, if you ask them to, they'll probably.
No, even if I do, they won't. They won't. But
Someone's gonna do it now.
Tomorrow when it comes out.
Ow!
damn, bro, watch your head too.
On the plastic lip.
You don't pre-fill the oil the filter?
I don't put oil in it.
Oh,
You just lube it up.
I just lube it up.
I'm a
You're
firm
a
believer
Honda- you're a
of priming the
Honda
filter.
I just use the O-ring.
Yeah.
You just fucking do it like that.
No, but just so viewers know, if you put oil in the filter before you screw it in, it's basically primes it so that your engine doesn't run dry after that
But my
2 or
oil
3
filter
seconds.
is sideways. So you gotta-
Oh, so you can't do it in yours. Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah, it's not a Mustang, dude. Sorry.
Yeah. Guess not.
My shit's upside down, dude. If I do that, it's gonna pour out.
Yeah.
My oil filter's up here.
I'll say FRS.
You just put a little oil in the,
It's right there.
you know.
Can you just like put your hand in there and tighten it?
Yeah, I can literally open the thing
Yeah.
and screw right now. Scrape that thing.
Yeah.
This guy fucking dropped a wrench in the oil.
Yup.
Weight reduction.
Just LS swap it.
Yeah.
What does that have to do with dropping the fucking wrench in the
That's
oil?
the meme, dude. That's the meme. Do you not understand the meme?
Nah, dude, sorry. Get another pair of gloves, dude.
That's even like the sixth fucking glove now.
You used how many gloves?
It's like my sixth one.
6 pairs, 6 1.
Sixth one. Chris is like, fuck this guy.
I don't care. Just use as many as you want. You'll probably use more than I would, anyway.
You gotta fix your fucking. I was changing the oil in your minivan. And I almost forgot to check to see if the ring was on the past oil filter. And I was like, I got like halfway in the screen. I was like, man, I should probably check and that thing was still on.
Oh fuck! I almost dropped my phone.
Sketch.
Tastes funny for a little while.
So it'll be mixing with the.
Yeah, it'll taste funny for like 10 minutes.
Tastes funny.
What is that?
Unicorn milk and
Unicorn what?
milk.
Milk.
What the
Unicorn
fuck?
milk and
Vape Nation.
It's so weird. Unicorn milk? What does it taste like?
Like unicorn milk.
Like
Creamy.
a fucking unicorn just busted in your mouth. It's like good. How much is that? It's not like a quart left, I think. Yeah, it's not a quart and a half left.
I can't even tell where you're at.
1 quart left. This is at 4.
Choose half of it.
Yeah, like another 4 seconds left.
Take throw the rest in your trunk or whatever. Keep it for later.
I can tell.
I can't either. The thing looks so hard to read.
Oh, I got it. See it. Perfect. Alright, cool.
Put the cap back on, start it up.
What? Oh yeah.
So you got raw knock. Alright, that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I'll put the link to everyone's Instagram in the description. If you guys want to follow their builds, go ahead. Kind of a short video today, but just getting some videos out constantly. Try to keep the consistency going, even though I'm not really working on the Z. You'll be seeing some more parts on that thing in a couple weeks. Should be getting my wheels, and then should be getting my bags pretty much the same time. So be on the lookout for that. Just gonna be filming some of my friends' cars, you know, just to have something to look back on too. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe for more. I got a lot of great content coming your way. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.